Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this post by Sawyer. So new starting today, Tesla is offering 36 months loan rates at 1.99%, APR for our new Model 3 rear-wheel drive, and the long range finance order in the US, and it's just down from 6.39%. And as you know, this is Tesla financing, so the standards industry is right now is about 6 something percent. Okay, so it's pretty high, but in order for Tesla to push out the car and to get have all these cars sold, they got to do something. So either to give a discount or lower the APRs. And last before June 1st, I believe, or May 30th was the last day they offered 0.99%, and a lot of people love that deal and they took it. But here, if you missed the last one, 1.99% is still not bad compared to 6.39%. And for those that are wanting longer than 36 months, Tesla's still offering 4.99%, and all for 48 months as well as 60 months financial. And this just came out today, and it will be available until June 16th. And performance Model 3 does not get any promotional rates. So as far as the Model 3 performance, I think it's priced too cheap to be true. If you can afford a Tesla performance, Model 3 performance, you should get it, because I kind of regret, got my Model Y, and now seeing this car, I really love it. But you know what? It is what it is. So let's hop over to the website of Tesla and see if there's any discount or see if it is true. So as you can see here at the main website, you can see right here 1.99 APR, and it tells you exactly what it is. So if you click on order now, and it only is, here we go, finance, right? So all this you already know. You can change this to 36 months, and then you get 1.99%. And then you can work out all the numbers. You can make all these changes to reflect your monthly payments. All right, so let's go. I think everything else still stay the same. Rate of the hubcap is no longer. It's still the same, 2,000. Right, so let's go to the inventory to see if they have any discount at all, because Tesla usually have like discount for the inventory. So it takes me straight to the Model Y, so I guess Tesla want the Model Y to be sold. Let's click on the Model 3. And again, Tesla removed the little thing right here, the sorting one, so we can't sort from low to high or high to low. But here it is. So as you can see, we do have a little bit of discount, maybe a couple hundreds to 1,000 max, depending on the miles of the vehicle. All these are demos vehicles, so meaning that they use it, they drive it, test it, about 2,000 miles, 2,000, 2,200. Right, and you get like this one like 700, this one like 800. Yeah, so all the demos vehicles get a little bit of discount, but not much. So if you're gonna buy a car, brand new car, I don't think $900 would make a difference, unless you really wanted the car now and there. And these are all inventory, so you click on this, you'll see the car you like, you see the spec that you like. You can pretty much buy it now and pick it up tomorrow at the showroom near you. So all it is are rear-wheel drive, but they do have, let's see if they have the long range. Long range. But instead of do that, we go up here and we just click the sort on the long range. Where is it? Long range here, and see if there's any discount. Okay, long range, 46, 47. So I would say about what, less than $1,000 discount, and it's about 1,700 miles on the car. Not much of a discount at all. Yeah, but if the 1.99% will qualify for the long range or the rear wheel drive. Alright, so let's talk about another posting that he has right here, which is interesting. So, breaking, Rivian has introduced the second generation R1T and R1S. Here's what's new. So the new top specs for the R1T pickup trucks is 0 to 60 is 2.5 seconds. It's down from 3 seconds, so it's beating the Cyber Beast right now, which is at 2.6. New quad motors, 1025 horsepower, new drive unit, updated exterior lightings with adaptive drive beam system and RGB LED in the horizontal light bar. Interior, new materials and trims. These exclude exposed maple wood, brown stitching, accent of plaid, textile, and burnished bronze. Better energy management, enhanced and re-engineered suspension, slightly smoother, new wheels and tires. 1.6 miles of wiring has been stripped out. New software design on main screen, Dolby Atmos, audio, keyless entries that can be added to your Apple Wallet or some Google Pixel phones, which is nice, and much more. And the starting price for the R1S is $75,900, so almost like $76,000, and the R1T is $69,900 before any incentives. Alright, so let's go to the website and check it out. So as you can see, when we get to the website, I click on the R1S, right, because I like the R1S, but if you like the R1T, which is the truck version, you can click on it. So you can see right here, starting $75,900, and with the lowest range wise, and it goes all the way up to about 410. And this is the beast of the beast, dual max. The Tri-Max, even crazier, more horsepower. 0 to 60, 2.9 seconds, which is crazy. Right, so let's see the R1T. And as you know, Rivian, it's right now they're trying to ramp up the affordable model, which is the R2 that they mentioned a couple months ago, or maybe about a month ago. Right, so let's say we built one. Again, this one started 69. It could go all the way to about 100,000. These things are not cheap at all, but they're fast. You can see it, right? Beautiful. That's shown 93,000. That's shown 103,000. Crazy, crazy. So let's say try this one. It's probably gonna be like this Cyber Beast. Yeah, you get to pick what you want, and depending on the colors, we mentioned that before. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you wanted a Tesla but you missed out the 0.99%, here's your chance to get it at 1.99. Or if you go higher with the months for 60 months to 84 months, it'll be 4.99%. But yeah, there's not much of a discount on the inventory. So if it's me, I just rather buy straight, from build your own, unless you really need a vehicle. So. If you like the content, please give it a like, and if you love the channel, make sure you subscribe for more content. Other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, till next time.